Hey guys, I am in Largo off of 8th Street Southwest, super busy area. This homeowner had a super high water bill. He actually came out and started digging holes in the yard trying to figure out where the leak was, all right? He did know to check his water meter. Let me show you guys the meter so you know what to check. If you get a high bill, you can come out and open the meter. This is a flow rate, so that 0.69 that just flashed, that was a flow rate of how much water is going through the meter. This little arrow in 0.6, there's your rate. This is telling you water's going through the meter at this rate, and you can see this ticking up. If you see this in your house with nothing turned on, you could have a leak. He decided to try to find it here. It ended up being in the house underneath the floor between a laundry room and a bathroom. It's tile on both sides, so he's got to talk to his wife to see which side of the wall they want to break open. So if you get a high water bill in Largo, call us. This is all we do all day, every day. We'd love to help you. Thanks.